Hello coin collectors out there, welcome back to the Big D International Coins and Paper channel. So here we have two coins, they're both the €2 coins. Now these are kind of a little bit more rare for my channel given that the euros are more expensive and kind of harder to come across. So I've got two coins right here and we're going to talk about them and get into some of the details of these two specific coins. So the one on the left we have right here, this one comes to you from Austria. We have the one on the right from Spain. So let's get into this one right here. I'll zoom in for you. There we go. As you can see, this coin right here, it's dated 2002. This coin was made from 2002 until 2006. Its value is 2 cents, which 2 euros, which translates to about 2.44 United States dollars. Its metal content is a bimetallic nickel brass clad nickel center and copper nickel ring. As you can see, both of these have the same metal content, so they both have that copper nickel ring going around the outside, which looks mostly like nickel, and then the brass color center to them. Now both of them weigh 8.5 grams. They have a diameter of 25.75 millimeters and a thickness of 2.2. Now what you're looking at right here is the obverse of the coin. This particular one, which is from Austria, features a portrait of the radical pacifist Bertha von Stuttner, a symbol of Austria's efforts over many decades to support peace. It's accompanied with the face value of the coin. So we see the face value right here, €2, the date it was produced, and we see Bertha right there in the center, the radical pacifist. Now going around the outside, we have the 12 stars of Europe going around the outside. Now that's a common theme that we'll see on pretty much all of the euro coins, both the euros and the euro cent coin. When we flip it over, this is what's known as the first map reverse. Now there's a more modern reverse which started coming out in 2007, but this one right here happens to be made from 2002 until 2006. Now you see a map of Europe showing the 15 states of the European Union. Now the edge of this coin is pretty interesting as well. It's a finely ribbed with edge lettering 4 times the sequence of the text €2. So we see the text €2 going around the outside. We see that sequence 4 times. There are 3 stars, alternate upright and inverted. So we see some stars. These are kind of hard to get on the camera. Just based on the fact that it requires a lot of focus for it. So I'll give you the mintage of this particular coin, then we'll go talk about the obverse of the other coin, which I'm sure you're curious to see. So there were 196,400,000 of these produced. These are produced for Austria. Now this one right here, also dated 2002, comes to you representing the country of Spain. Now there were not too many of these produced. Let me get the mintage of that for you. I need to pull up the first map type. So the first map type, struggling to pull that up, sorry about that. We'll get it up for you shortly. So this one has the first map. Now this one was made from 2002 until 2006, similar to the one that we're looking at before. This one features Juan Carlos. Now we'll see Juan Carlos on a lot of different euro coins. Fortunately, this one right here happens to be a little bit dirty, but you can see him. What makes this coin a little bit different than some of the other ones is that there are a band of euro. There are a band around these stars right here. Now with the other euro that we have here, you just see the standard stars going around the outside. Alright, so the mintage of this one, there were a lot produced in 2002. There were 164 million. In extra fine condition, they're worth about 2.44. Now these ones actually are dated 1999 until 2006. Although they didn't start coming out to be made until 2002, they backdated some of them back until 1996. Same metal content, same specifics as far as value, weight, diameter, thickness, shape, and same exact reverse as what we were looking at earlier. However, the difference between the two is mainly in the obverse right here. This features a portrait of King Juan Carlos I. It's encircled by lettering ESPAñA, the royal monogram, and the 12 stars of Europe, of whom 5 are bound by a band. So we see the 5 being bound, 1, 2, 3, 4. I guess I only counted 4 there. There are 5 that are actually bound by a band going around the outside. All right, hopefully you enjoyed this sneak peek at the €2 coins that I have here, one from Austria and one from Spain. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Take care, everyone. Best of luck coin collecting.